Hey there, animal lovers! Welcome to our channel Learn and Play, where we are learning about animal sounds. Let's begin. Can you guess the sound? It's a wolf. Good job, everyone. Can you guess the sound? It's a dog. Now can you guess this sound? Okay, let me tell you. It's a horse. Now it's time to guess another sound. Are you ready? It's a cow. Again, let's guess. What sound is this? It's a pig. Okay, time for another guess. It's a monkey. Let's guess another sound. Are you ready? It's a cat. Can we guess another sound? Let's begin. Did you guess? Let me help you. It's a sheep. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.